back to my channel, and for those who are new here, hi guys, my name is Danisha and Selamat Hari Raya to all my Muslim friends, and I hope you guys will enjoy your day today. And it's finally Raya. I'm back doing like get ready with me look for you guys. So this is the look that I created for my first day of Raya. Okay, and I'm not wearing my outfit right now, baju Raya right now, because I just want to do this a quick intro for you guys. I would say this is more of like an orange brown glitter look for my first day of Raya, and my Raya outfit brown lace with batik. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this look, and for you, let's get started. Okay, hi everyone. So I'm gonna start with showing my henna, and it's very pretty. Using scrunchie to tie up my hair. First, I'm gonna start with simple light hydrating moisturizer and apply all over my face to hydrate my skin the whole entire day. I'm gonna use Bioré Sunscreen to apply all over my face and my neck area as well, so that it will protect from the sun. Okay, for makeup, I'm gonna use the brow first, which is from Freedom Eyebrow Pomade in the shade Auburn, and I'm gonna use that spoolie to brush my eyebrows. Okay, that's good. And then I'm gonna apply with a eyebrow brush and just basically just go over it. And I'm gonna use this Urban Decay All Nighter concealer in the shade medium dark, if I'm not wrong. I'm using a concealer brush to conceal my eyebrows so that it will look nicely done. And then I'm just gonna go over it to make sure that it's perfectly done. So that's the finish of my brows. Alright, and then I'm gonna use the same concealer and apply on my eyelids and act it as eye primer, because I don't really have an eye primer and it actually works just fine. And I'm gonna use a beauty blender from View.sg and just dab it. And then I'm gonna use Rimmel Stay Matte translucent powder and a buffer brush, and just gonna set my concealer, the one that I've applied on my eyelids, so that it will stay in place. After that, I'm gonna use two of this palette for today's look. First one is from Kat Von D, and I really love the colors. It's so bright and colorful. Okay, first I'm gonna use that yellow tone eyeshadow and apply all over my crease area, and using a fluffy brush to really blend it into the crease. I'm using this Luxe Crease 228 from Zoeva brush, and also Australis Neutralize eyeshadow palette. I'm taking that brown red-ish color and also apply on the crease area, but focusing on the outer part area so that it's more deeper inside. So I'm gonna take a big fluffy brush like this and taking that light orange and apply all over my crease area. Make sure you blend it with the other colors which I applied just now, and just blending into the crease area so that there's no harsh line and it's blended well. After that, I'm gonna take two of those brown and also red, focusing on the outer part as well, just blending it into the crease area. Get another fluffy brush like this, that red shade, and just apply all over the crease, and again just blending it in so that there's no harsh lines and it's blended well. And taking a fluffy brush, the one that I used earlier on, and I'll take this light brown, I would say, and I'll just blend everything into the crease. Next part is the fun part. I'll apply this Stila liquid glitter eyeshadow in the shade Kita Karma, and I really love this shade. It's so pretty, and I'm just gonna apply all over my eyelids area, just making sure I apply all over the eyelids. And look at that, so pretty. I'm just so in love with the glitter right now. It makes everything looks better. And then I'm just gonna use this concealer brush from BH Cosmetic, and I'm just gonna dab it and making sure the glitter is blended well. Blending the glitter into the crease as well, and it will look very nice like this. The same Luxe Crease brush from Zoeva, and I'm taking that dark brown and also red shade again, flat on the outer V part of my crease, and just deepen it. After that, I'm just gonna take that fluffy brush and just blend everything in. Over here, I'm just adding the glitter back again, making sure that it is more glitter. Almost done. I'm gonna take spot liner and taking shimmer shades and apply on the tear duct and also brow bone area. I'm gonna use this Stila all day liquid liner in the shade black, and I'm just gonna do a very small, I would say slight wing eyeliner. I'm still struggling to do a wing liner, so yes, I made some mistake over there, but no worries. And then I'm gonna use this mascara from Too Faced Better Than Sex. This one is the travel size one because I got it for free, and it's very cute. Our look isn't finished without false lashes. I'm going to use the same as the one I used last year because I only use it when it's like the first day of Raya, and it's from Miniso. Now look at the difference, so pretty when you apply like false lashes together with those eyeshadow look. Oh my god, I'm so obsessed. Right, next up for our face, I'm going to use this CC cream from It Cosmetic, oil free base, shade neutral tan, and I'm gonna use it with a blending sponge from Bio.sg. I'm just gonna apply all over my face. I would say it's very full coverage and it's very lightweight as well, so I really like this consistency and the formula of it. Again, I'm gonna use that Urban Decay concealer in the shade medium dark neutral. I really like this concealer. It's really full coverage. I gotta say, this is my favorite concealer of all the concealer I've used. It's literally the best. I'm gonna use it as a highlighting concealer kind of thing as well, to brighten up my under eyes and also my forehead and nose area as well. I'm gonna use this Makeup Revolution Ultra Contour Palette and using that yellow banana powder and set my concealer in place. And then for the rest of my face, I'm gonna use Rimmel Stay Matte in the shade Translucent, and also with a big fluffy brush and apply all over my face and neck area as well. And for contour, I'm going to use this rounded, slightly round brush. Okay, medium brown, and contour my face on my jawline, my cheekbone, as well as my forehead. I'm going to contour my nose with the lighter shade of brown. A huge difference on my nose, and I really love it. Right, for the cheeks, I'm gonna use Australis Straberries and Dream Scented Blush, and it really smells like strawberries, and I really like the color. It's very bright and it's not too red. Then my favorite part of the face is the glow. I'm gonna use Becca Champagne Pop Highlighter and a fan brush. And look at that glow, people. It's so pretty. I'm in love with that shade. It's the popular shade in the whole wide world. I'm gonna apply my point of the cheekbone, bridge of the nose area, and Cupid's bow. Last step for the eyes, I'm gonna use this smudger and apply all those 4 shades that I applied earlier on crease and apply on the lower lash line so that it's all blended well and look is balanced. For the lips, I'm gonna use 2 of these shades and combine it together, which is from Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink in the shade 135 Globetrotter and as well as 70 Amazonian. Just blending 2 of the shades together. Last step for this whole look is I'm gonna apply this Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray so that my makeup will stay in place and will last longer throughout the day. And we have completed this look for my first day of Raya. For the hair, I'm just gonna let down my bangs and I'm just gonna let my hair straight like that as it is. Let's go for the outfit.